Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be doing my dish garden, but first here are the materials. We have this big pot and we have more plants right there. This is the soil and this is my house. And this is my house over there, and these are these dominoes for the walking steps. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to use these, but let's start making it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my decorations. Now I'm adding more plants. There it is! My dish garden is done! Okay, so I decided to put pebbles around the house so it will look nicer. Okay, now it's time to water the plants so they will get healthy. Okay, I hope you like my dish garden and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Thank you for watching.